Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vince and today I'll be unboxing my recent SSENSE pickup. My first pickup is the Jacquemus Le Pitchou Wallet. I've always wanted one of these ever since I saw it on the runway, but I just couldn't justify spending $300 just for a small bag. Luckily, SSENSE has a big sale right now, so I got this for less than $100, which is a really good deal. This is what the inside looks like. So there's no pocket inside of the wallet, it's just one big space. You can pretty much fit coins, bills, or even some cards. There you go. Okay, so my next pickup is the offwhite card wallet. I also got this on sale at SSENSE. It has 5 different slots as well as one big slot for bills.